Hi. What's up, guys? This is your host Eliza. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a web store on SmartSeller. You will also learn how to set up payment gateway and shipping information so that buyers can make payments to you. So, let's get started. At the address bar of your browser, type smartseller.online and press enter. You are directed to SmartSeller e-commerce website. At the top right corner is a button Start for free. Click it. Type in a store name. It can contain special characters such as space or apostrophe. For the URL, use lowercase letters without special characters. Click the blue color bar at the bottom to continue to the next step. On this page, you are creating a free account on SmartSeller. Type in the required information. Use lowercase for username. Special characters are not allowed. Combine upper and lowercase characters with numbers to create a strong password. Ignore the checkbox for coupon. Click the checkbox for I agree to the terms of service. Click the blue bar below to create your account. Your account is created. You can now build your web store. You start by selecting a template for your web store. For the free account, there are 2 professional templates you can choose from. Click the one you like and click Select. On this page, you tell the site builder the address of your business. Type in all required fields. You can use all alphanumeric characters and special characters. Click the Let's Go red button to continue. Here, you will set up the payment method to be used in your business. SmartSeller has many payment gateways. For the free account, it uses PayPal, the most popular and secured gateway. You need to have a PayPal account. PayPal uses email address for an account. Key in your account email. Your customers will pay to this account. You can also set up offline payments here, but we don't encourage that. Unless necessary, do not offer offline payment. Click the red button to continue. On this page, you will set up basic shipping information. You provide information such as postage and package measurement units of your products. SmartSeller has advanced shipping integration methods. For basic setup, use flat rates for both local and overseas delivery. Choose the measurement units. Depending on which country you are operating your business, you may choose using the metric system using grams and centimeters, or the US system using ounces and inches. Click Continue. Congratulations! You are done. Setting up your web store is so easy. You can start uploading your products and view your dashboard. You can watch my tutorial on how to add products on SmartSeller YouTube channel. Well, that's all for this lesson. Thanks for watching.